Hello everybody. Today we are going to speak about glass rods, especially erbium rods. These are rods that are made of glass and we dope them either with erbium, ytterbium, chrome, depends on the application, if it's a laser diode pumping or if it is a flash lamp pumping. And these rods are very sensitive, are very hard to get good results. And I will tell you that most of our experience at the beginning, years ago, we got through accepting defense contracts. We had defense contracts and we were supposed to develop thousands of erbium rods to a very high spec. So we started and we used the best coaters in Europe and we used polishers and everything, the best, but still problems were there. So we got some additional funding to explore where the problems come from. And, you know, the problems is that if a rod is failing, so it's a bunch of rods failing, it's paralyzing the production line. If it fails with the customer, you have to send another one. It's warranty cost. So everybody wants a good product and that doesn't give him trouble. So we had been exploring into the problems, and then we had to buy additional equipment, and we had to change the methodology of how we manufacture and other things, step by step. But eventually, we managed to come to a secured process of treating the material, of doing the polishing and the coating and everything. A controlled process that is giving us production of thousands of erbium rods annually with a very little reject ratio, really marginal. So I would say from 1,000, few of them from scratches and things like this would fail, but everything is coming out of this process 100%. So it gives the coating long life, prevents trouble either from the production line, either from customer sites, and really a good product. So if you are dealing with glass rods, erbium, please call us. We are here to assist you. It doesn't cost money. Thank you very much for listening to my lecture.